Just starting out in the world of the markets and trading, this video is for you because here are 5 things. If I was able to go back and talk to myself when I started this journey, this would be the advice I would give myself. All of that in today's video. Number 1, just get started. If you have exposure to the markets, if you're managing your risk, if you are buying and trading good companies, if you're invested in good companies, if you're being smart with your position sizing, then you're going to expose yourself to opportunities that can provide tremendous upside to you, because the market is a wealth generating tool. But oftentimes we let fear discourage us from getting started, from taking that leap to learning how the markets work. And here's the thing. A lot of people think that the market is reserved for people with Ivy League degrees, that you have to be some whiz in math. That's just not true. If you understand second grade math, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, you're going to be just fine. So number 1, if you're on the fence, if you're thinking to yourself, yeah, I want to do this, but I'm scared, go do it. Take the first step. You won't regret it. Number 2, be patient. The one common thread that I see in traders who blow their accounts and lose lots of money is they are as impatient as hell, meaning they're not willing to wait and give things time to develop. They expect to make $100,000 on a trade right at this moment. And I can tell you, and I'm also speaking from personal experience, when you try to push too hard, too fast, you're going to risk financial ruin. You're going to lose money. You have to be patient and give yourself time to truly understand how the market works and lock in profits early on in your career. So if you're up on a trade, take a partial profit or consider exiting the trade and build on that success, because early on, your confidence is the most important thing. And if you experience loss after loss after loss, you're going to jeopardize your ability to be able to do this long term. So be patient. And the last thing I'll close with is, I say this all the time, if you can have profitable trading, but you have to wait a year from now, does that mean that you don't want it? And that's a question that I want you to ask yourself. So be patient. Number 3, be humble. Practice market humility. What do I mean by that? Well, if you have a big win, that doesn't mean that you're smarter than the market. That doesn't mean that you're better than another trader. That doesn't mean that you're the maestro of the charts. It just means that you won that day. You've got to take the emotion out of it. You've got to stop thinking that you're the elite chartist and you're better than anyone else, because that is not true. The market is all about probabilities. You're going to win some trades. You're going to lose some trades. And you have to make sure that when you have a winner, you're humble and you're grateful and you're thankful and say, hey, thank you for this opportunity, for this win. And if you have the opposite mindset where you think that you're owed profits from the market, where you get arrogant and cocky, hit the pause button, because that is a signal to yourself that you are about to get wrecked. So you have to practice market humility, be humble, because you are going to lose in this game. It's going to happen. So always be humble. And here's the thing. When you lose a trade, stop treating it like it's the end of the world, like someone died. If the worst thing that happens to you this year is that you lose money and you didn't lose a relationship, love, a loved one, then that's a pretty good trade-off. It's going to be okay. Practice market humility. Know it's okay to lose. Number 4, be prepared. Put the time in. Study your charts. Understand and learn new concepts. Collaborate with other traders. Take new courses, back trade, back test strategies. Study your own trades, winners and losers. Take notes, update your plan. Make sure that you're educated. Prepare. Preparation is the first step to trading. And one of the first things that I ask traders who are struggling, what does your preparation game look like? What does your rule 0 look like? You can check out that video on the channel. Because if you don't have a strong preparation game, then the chances of you being successful in trading are pretty slim. And then the final one, number 5, don't give up. You see, I believe this about trading, that in order to be a successful trader, you are going to get knocked down. You're going to doubt yourself. You're going to question yourself. You're going to get smashed. You're going to think that you can't do this. But the best traders, the successful ones, are the ones that get back up and say, let's go. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not backing down. And you have to have that kind of mentality that you will do whatever it takes. You will study, you will practice, you will prepare. You will figure this out. You're going to be like Rocky, right? In the 14th round against Apollo Creed, getting the snot knocked out of you, but you keep getting back up. And if you can do that, if you can not quit, if you could persevere, you can find success in trading. So there you have it, 5 pieces of advice that I would give myself starting out in trading. I hope they benefit you, and let me know which one resonated with you the most down in the comments below. Smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you back here for the next video. Make it a great day. Honor the moment. Most importantly, be great.